Hello students, today we are going to discuss mechanism of Friedel-Crafts reaction students. Okay, so firstly we will try to have a look over the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, meaning of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and then we will try to understand its mechanism students. So when you talk about Friedel-Crafts alkylation student, so with the help of Friedel-Crafts reaction we are going to prepare the alkyl benzene. Okay, we are going to prepare alkyl benzene, for example methyl benzene, propyl benzene, isopropyl benzene, ethyl benzene, these are the examples. So let's have a look over the reaction. Suppose we are having the benzene, dear students, here you see, and if you are treating with the alkyl halide CH3Cl, and in the presence of, you can say, anhydrous, okay, we need to take the, keep in mind, anhydrous AlCl3 catalyst, okay, or you can say that is anhydrous, okay, AnHyFeCl3, anything you can take, student. Then what is going to happen? Each carbon of benzene ring is having the hydrogen atom, students, okay, and that hydrogen atom, if you see what is happening, this hydrogen atom is coming out in the form of HCl, okay, and what is happening, another, what the product is, you can check it out, this product is CH3, okay. This is something known as, student, that is toluene, or you can say that is methyl benzene. This is the methyl benzene. Now student, this is the reaction. Now you are going to understand the mechanism, okay. So if you talk about the mechanism, dear students, in the mechanism, that is 3 steps are getting involved here, 3 steps. So firstly let's have a look over the step number 1. So step number 1 means what, student? That is formation of electrophile. In the step number 1, formation of electrophile is there. This is, dear student, if you see formation of electrophile, okay, so how it is the forming, CH3Cl is there, and if you see that is AlCl3, student, so this is the negative charge, and here this is the positive charge, and here octet is not completed, dear student. So if octet is not completed, so what is total, the chloride ion is going to be attacking on it. So what is forming, student, with the help of heterolytic fission, this is the CH3 plus, and here is AlCl4 minus. This is what positive charge, student, that is what is known as electrophile. Whatever the positive charge is there, student, that is electrophile. If you talk about the step number 2, dear students, so it's step number 2 is attack of electrophile. This is the attack of electrophile. So you see, student, attack of electrophile. How can you be able to understand attack of electrophile? So dear student, when you talk about attack of electrophile, where it will attack, where the electron density is high, on benzene, okay, on benzene ring. Dear students, if you see here, this is the benzene ring, dear students, this is the benzene ring, okay. Now students, in this benzene ring, what we are going to do, we are going to attack here is, so arrow will be like this, student, because arrow is showing that is movement of electron. So what will happen here, dear students, here you see, this will be the forming, here is CH3, student, here is the hydrogen, and this will take the positive charge, student. Why the positive charge? Because here you can see both the electron are involving and one electron of this carbon, so it is like that. And in the last step, student, step number 3, if you talk about, that is removal of proton. You can see, you can say that is removal of proton. So dear student, in the removal of proton step, so what we are going to do, here there is the carbocation is there. This is nothing but, student, that is the carbocation, okay, that is the positive charge on the carbon is known as carbocation. So here is what is there, student, this is CH3, this is H, here is the positive charge, student. Now students, what is going to happen when you are treating with the base, okay, what the base you are taking, student, AlCl4 negative. So this negative charge is taking this hydrogen and this is shifting like that. So what the product you are going to get, students, this is the product here, okay, and here is, this is the CH3. So this is what is the mechanism, student. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and comment, students, okay. Don't forget to comment, students.